So we have the privy at Spring Mountain Shelter. This is an exercise in minimalism. So the pedestal is precisely located next to the door for easy access. And when you go to close the door, your legs or your knees stick out far enough that you cannot close the door, which is kind of interesting. And it's rather narrow. You might stay dry in this for a short period of time. It could be a feature that keeps people from wanting to sleep in these rather than the shelter, which is also on the small side. There's a lot of privies on the AT that are larger than the shelter that I slept in last night. And this is certainly not one of them. Although there's a pretty nice new rake down there. Not sure what that's all about to put, well, it's to rake up leaves for duff to put in the toilet to help it decompose. Anyway, I'm going to give this like a C-, and it's certainly not for effort. Welcome to day 27, have a 15.9 mile day. About 4,000 feet elevation gain, 3,500 loss. And it's another beautiful day, blue sky. I think that was Asheville down there, the outskirts of it. Nice bright city lights last night. And then, yeah, there's some kind of rodents, plural, in the shelter. I think they're living in between the two metal roofs that are layered on top of this thing. They came out last night and stole Metro's gaiters out of his shoes and tried dragging them down a hole in the corner of the shelter. Into the Cherokee National Forest over there. I have a Roadrunner sighting. GrayJay is probably in there. Oh, I see her.
Hey guys, look what I found. A sign. We're in the Cherokee National Forest.
Woo! Ooh. This way to the Southern Cookie Lady. Oh man. Outstanding. Who can't resist a good Southern cookie? Finally, after 10.5 miles of hiking or more, we are at White Rock Cliff. Maybe the first view of the day. And when the peregrine falcons are falconing, don't mess with them, is what all these words say. Starting to get into some views, which is good. I think we'll take the exposed Ridgeline Trail. That sounds like fun. Out over that way. Still got some snow remnants hanging on up here. It's pretty warm right now. Starting to pass a lot of day hikers coming down from Howard's Rock, which I guess is the thing up here. And they say, it's amazing! So, we'll see how amazing this is. I can use some amazing. Ooh. And also use some not slipping. On the slip and slide. on our way to the top of Howard Rock at 299.7 miles. The 3/10 will have 300 in the bag. Whoa! Oh yeah. There's some view. Oop, little breeze. Man, there's some weird portal activity going on. There's some strangeness there. Neither do I. It could be a shadow. Yep, Howard's Rock, definitely a big win for the day. That was worth the time and effort to get up here, so I do not feel gypped. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, perfect day. Not sure how many of these we're gonna get in a row, but wow, we've been lucky. Hey, we got Jerry's Cabin Shelter, or maybe just Jerry's Cabin, not sure. Cute little shelter. And boy, it's got a nice green grass for a yard. And still got some tarps there covering the front. And there claims to be a bear box 100 yards down there. Oh, I see it way down there. That's good. Let's see what we got in here. This is your actually, it looks a lot like a Smokies shelter. I may hold up in here. We'll see. Okay, beautiful day, beautiful views, and past mile 300. And for my overall hike, I'm at mile 522. So we're right along. Oh yeah, this was kind of a hard day. 4,000 feet of elevation gain, and up top along that ridge, there were a lot of rocks. It was kind of edgy for a while, right at the end of the day, kind of wear things out. Time to eat.